My name is Tejas Prakash and I am 12 years old. I live in Bengaluru, India and I study in 7th grade. In this video, I am going to be introducing my new channel. So my main hobbies are reading, computer programming and making electronic circuits. So in this channel, I will mainly be uploading videos related to these hobbies. My first exposure to computer programming was at the age of 8 when I started learning programming in a visual language called Hopscotch, which is a visual programming language with a drag and drop interface that is meant for children. Later at school in 5th grade, I learned programming in Scratch, which is another visual programming language very similar to Hopscotch. In 6th grade, I learned HTML, and recently during the lockdown, I took 2 online courses on Udemy. One is a beginner course on Python, which I have completed already. I have left the link in the description below. And the other one is on HTML, CSS and JavaScript programming, which is a fairly long one, and the link to that too is in the description. I'll be covering more about those courses in a later video. My first exposure to electronics was at the age of 7 when I started making simple electronic kits using this kit called Snap Circuits Junior. And using this kit, simple snap-on circuits can be made. So there are different electronic components that you can snap on to a big board that has many holes in it through simple snap-on pins. So in this picture, just to give you an example, there's a switch, then there are different connecting pins here of different lengths, and there are some alarms here, a fan and a power supply, and all these can be easily snapped on to the big board using simple snap-on pins at the bottom. Later on, at the age of 10, I got this kit, this electronics and robotics kit called WidBlocks. There are various projects that can be made using this kit, including simple electronic kits and simple robots. So just to give you an example of a project that can be made, like you see in this picture, a robot can be made that avoids any obstacles in its way and curves when it turns when it sees any objects. So in this kit is quite similar to Snap Circuits with different components that can be easily attached to each other. I will be uploading more videos on sample projects using both Snap Circuits and WidBlocks. Recently, when I turned 12, I was gifted a Raspberry Pi. A Raspberry Pi is a small computer. So this is the Raspberry Pi. It is so tiny, it comes in this small box, but it has got enough power to be used just like any other normal computer. And the cool thing about it is that it can also be connected to a circuit board, and you can make various electronic projects using it and control them through programs on the computer. I will be talking more about what a Raspberry Pi is, what its capabilities are, and some of the cool projects that I will be making in later videos. My goal with this channel is to share as I learn. So as I learn about computer programming and electronics and robotics, I would like to share them with other children who might be interested in these. So if you know any children who might of the same age group or the similar age group who might be interested in making these electronic projects and computer programming, then please do share these videos with them. A second benefit from my point of view would be that it would strengthen my own understanding of these concepts. And lastly, if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button down below. I will be uploading more videos in this channel. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on those videos. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.